do a quick video about how to turn t-shirts into just a pile of shirts in your bag to that. That's a burrito. It's not really. It's a t-shirt. That's the point. Okay. So take the bottom of the shirt to start. And you curl it up, bring it up, however you want to say it. About an inch or two this way. You need to do it on the other side as well. You need it all to be just like that. Okay? And then you're going to bring it back down. Kind of like this at this point. I'm going to pull it down a little bit because we don't need to see the bottom of it just now. Doesn't really matter which side you start with on this next part, but you're going to take the sleeve and the bottom of the shirt at the same time, and you're going to bring it across. You should have something like this. Bring it across about halfway. Okay? Do the same thing with the other side. In this case, the right side. I kind of fold in the sleeves just a little bit. Fold the sleeves in. Fold the sleeves in a little bit. Don't fold the cheese in. Just fold the sleeves. Bring it across. You got something similar to this. Okay? Remember, bottom of the shirt is still down here, but we're about to flip it. So we're going to go 180. This is still the bottom of the shirt. It's at the top right now. We know this, but it's still the bottom point. Now, you start turning this thing into a burrito. This one's going to be a little long. That's fine. Now, when you get to about here, okay, so this seam right here is the bottom of the shirt. Okay? Keep going a little bit more, and then you got to take the whole thing and turn it over, both tag. You need to find this section of the seam, different seam from what we saw over here. Okay, you know what I mean. Then all you need to do is just take that, bring it across. See how we're doing it right here? Bring it across. Slide the shirt into it, makes it a little pocket, and there you go. Saves you a lot of room in your luggage.